right, back here on Sam's Astro that we lowered a wee bit. He's had a little bit of a clunk in the front end. Well, it's more like a random, sounds like a ball peen hammer, and it just totally happens at random.
Yeah.
And then he's got a little bit of suspension squeak in the back. So we're just going to check everything out. So, Scotty,
you ready?
Bounce with me, bounce with me. Keep doing it. Weird.
I almost want to say it's up towards the top of the wheel.
Well, here, keep bouncing.
Yeah, sure. I got that type of strength all day long.
Yeah, you do. It's something that's binding up.
All right, let's pop the hood.
And unbinding. But it definitely sounds higher.
Yeah.
Like, I'll put my hand on the frame and I don't even feel it. Alright, let me come up. Oh, hi, Scotty. How are you? Oh! Oh! Old people action. Alright. Bounce with me, bounce with me. Is that how the song goes?
Something like that. More like bounce on me, but that's a different story.
That's what you were doing last night. Alright. Just go ahead and see what we got just for S and G's. But everything in here up top is looking good. But go ahead and bounce it. Now you got it consistent. Hold on. Let me go in from the back here. Oh my God. Sorry, bad video. Okay, don't crush my dome, but go. Could it be the shock?
It's possible.
Because, I mean, those are under warranty. They're fairly new, but that never means jack shit, as we all know. It's almost like the spring, like maybe the rubber seat. Maybe the spring's not in its seat all the way. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I'd say we'll jack this corner up and take the wheel off and take a quick look-see.
Yeah.
So we'll do that, but
because I almost thought stabilizer bar bushing for a second. And no, that's got more than enough clearance.
everything there is good. No,
Yeah.
my brain was thinking, is the sway bar hitting the front stub of the frame? No.
Right.
Tie rods are good. They're not hitting anything.
No.
I'm just curious. I'm curious if it's a spring. Spring seat location.
You bounce. Let me take a look.
Oh. It's like that kind of movie, huh? Watch your dome.
Try not to push it to the ground.
Well, it definitely hits harder with my fat ass on it. Scotty, if you look me in the eye right now, this could be an adult film.
No, I'm not looking you in the eye.
Yeah, good. That's how I'd get pregnant. Okay, my knee fucking gave out. What up? What are you thinking? I swear it's a spring.
I'm kind of leaning towards that myself. I'm thinking
It's got to be
the isolator.
the rubber on top of the
I
spring.
think the isolator fell out, which would be impossible because it's crushed by a spring.
Well, they'll rot and
Yeah.
disintegrate.
I'm wondering if that's what happened, but let's...
We'll
Yeah.
jack it up, take that side off.
Yeah.
Do you want to go look at the rear real quick?
Yeah,
so we
let's-
can find the squeaky back there.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, he bounced it when he was here, and it sounded like two rats fucking in a wool sock.
Right?
That's how hot it gets in the summer. It's like two rats fucking in a wool sock. All right. I can sit sit on this and bounce it. Oh, watch your dome. Ooh, sounds like baby making. I definitely couldn't do reverse cowgirl.
Yeah.
What, leaf spring
Leaf spring bushings.
that are brand new?
Yep.
So we need to either tighten or loosen
Yep.
and looby. All right, well, we got that going. Scotty, what do you think about? Never mind. It'll come to me. It'll come to me like Jesus in a tortilla. So is that what you're thinking?
Yeah. I mean, if you want, you lay down and I'll go bouncy and see what you think. Don't get old, ladies and gentlemen. Don't get old.
Too late.
Cancel your subscription.
I don't want to grow up. I'm a Toys R Us kid.
But it definitely seems to be more concentrated on this side, on the driver's side. When you're ready.
Don't smush me, but go. Oh. Shackle. The top of the shackle for sure.
For sure.
But we didn't replace those, remember?
Yep.
All right, so we got that figured out.
But it does. It seems like it's only driver's side.
No, I hear it over here too. Here, hit it again. Don't smush me. Oh, it's definitely way more to the driver's side. Okay, bounce it harder. Okay, when you bounce it harder, then the passenger side starts singing too.
Okay. So
All right.
you think it's the upper shackle bushing?
I think so. I would check our tightness on here. And maybe inspect our bushings and our springs too. Because if that's a problem, if it's the bushings in the spring, like these haven't even been in here 9 months, 10 months. So Sam might be needing to give a holla to the vendor and warranty that out. But I'd say definitely check our bushings. Maybe spray a little white lithium in everything and see if it shuts up first. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right. So we know what we're doing. So you want to do the white lithium on the front and rear on both of these with the spray?
I'll get to that, but I want to get this front wheel jacked up.
Okay, let me come out and let me finish what I got to do while you do that.
I'm glad you're finally coming out, Bobby, which we all kind of knew it about you years ago.
If I wasn't laying on the ground in a very prone position, I'd hit you.
You know, if you look straight up,
Yeah?
just saying.